new one. Good as new. I have a pair of earpads for Sony PS5, black one. And here is my Sony PlayStation 5 headset. Organic leather, as they call it, starts to fall apart and needs to be replaced. That's what I'm going to do now with that pair of earpads for PS5. Okay. Here how it looks. There is a quick guide how to perform it. Such a tool goes with it. And I think I just match it perfectly. So this one original, that one is replacement. It starts to fall apart and it stays on ears, on face, those small particles of synthetic leather. Like that. Okay, this one is good. Here on the bottom. Dust it really quick. Here you have it. Old one and new one. Good as new. Take a look at it. Good as new. That's it. Really easy.